Okay, hi guys, it's me. Welcome back to Adventures with Jade. So, at the moment, I spent the afternoon walking over to Ghyll in the Lake District. So, let me just switch the camera and show you. So, what happened is basically I couldn't film all the way along the trail because there's lots of stiles, a bit difficult to hold the camera and film and go through at the same time. But and also there's lots of sheep everywhere, so that was a bit tricky. But let's just show you. Let's go walking. Alright, so this is the scenery for this waterfall called Ghyll, which is one of the top places to visit in the lakes. So let's have a wander around. Can't film too much because a lot of people around at the moment. Cool. That is the hotels here. And the waterfall is behind these trees. I might have to do a second video on the waterfall itself. So okay, there you go. Show you some of the scenery. Ooh, it says probably right away there. So far I've taken trails. I don't really know where I'm going. I've had to just ask a few people where to go. So this is the first time I've actually been this way to the lake. So obviously my previous videos were like Hawkstead and some other places, but first time I've been to Langdale before, so yeah, get a bit lost. I don't actually know where that goes. Yeah, just gonna turn it around so you can see me. So yeah, basically I don't know where this path goes, so I'm gonna have to do another video, I think, on the waterfall, if there's some memory left or some footage. Right, I'll pause it here for now. Okay, give me a thumbs up and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.